What's up everyone, welcome back again with this another video, and this is going to be the first time I'm unboxing a laptop on this channel. This laptop is from Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. I bought this laptop for my personal use and other YouTube related stuff, and in this video I'm going to talk about why I bought this device particularly over other competitors and what is special about it. My name is Prajwal and here is everything you need to know about this gaming laptop. Well, this is a gaming laptop. That means this is a performance-oriented machine. I always wanted to get a laptop that can deliver a good performance, but at the same time, my budget was too tight. So I was looking for a laptop in a low budget. While I was searching for a laptop on web, I came across many brands and their models, but this laptop won over my heart. Let's start with the physical overview. This laptop weighs around 2.3 kg. Of course, this is a gaming laptop and this seems to be having a very good body material. On the left side, we do get a ventilation space. This port is for charging, one Ethernet port, one HDMI port, one USB 3.2 generation port. On the right side, again, one ventilation port and one 3.5mm audio jack for earphones or mic. Here you get a Lenovo badging, and this keyboard has a backlight for night time, and you do get a number pad as well as dedicated media control buttons. If I talk about display, this is one of the best looking display I've ever seen on a laptop. It's 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, and most important, it has a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes everything look smoother. This is an IPS panel and this can go bright as up to 250 nits. It's not too much bright, but pretty good in low budget. And this is an anti-glare display. On the top, you do get a webcam. And quality, it's not top tier, it's just a 720p webcam. Personally, I wasn't expecting a good clarity from this laptop either. Let's move forward to main part, and which I like to talk about, that its performance. This laptop is powered by Intel i5 11th generation and has a dedicated GPU. That's from NVIDIA. I think it's better to have a separate GPU than an integrated one because it helps when you do graphic intensive work like editing videos, gaming. But if you just normally use your laptop like web browsing, work from home, or basic gaming, I would suggest you to not waste your extra bucks in dedicated GPU, just go with integrated one. This is Intel i5 4 cores 8 thread CPU and clock speed up to 4.50 GHz at maximum turbo frequency. And if I talk about GPU, so it's NVIDIA GTX 1650 4GB DDR6 graphic card. This is a good graphics for beginners. Well, it's not an alternative to MacBook Air, but at the same time, this is not crazy expensive either. Another best thing I like about this laptop is that its speakers. This laptop comes with Naimix audio driver. Naimix audio driver really pushes sound to another level. It gives you 7.1 channel sound experience and enhances audio capability. If you're a game enthusiast, you'll definitely love how it sounds when you're gaming. This laptop is a fingerprint magnet. If I touch here, it immediately catches my fingerprints, and that's kind of annoying. I'm planning to get a skin cover on top of it so it will not catch my fingerprints. This laptop comes with 512 gigs of SSD storage and 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and that's expandable up to 16 gigs. Now let's move on to battery life, and here I think things could have been better. This part I found is not as effective as promised. It delivers average battery life to me around 2 hours on a single charge on normal usage, and if I start editing and graphic intensive work, it lasts less than 2 hours. But you do get a 135 watt of fast charger from Lenovo, which charges this laptop 0 to full in around 1.5 hours while I'm working on it. This laptop is available on Amazon at around 62,000 rupees, and prices varies as per the marketplaces. If you're planning to buy a laptop for your gaming stuff or other YouTube related stuff, but your budget is too tight, this is a good package for you in low budget. Allow me to sign off from this vlog. I'll come back with another video. See you soon. Peace out.